Right, students, let's look at this one. Read the modifying adverbs below. Number them in order from weakest to strongest. Okay, modifying adjectives. Okay, students, these are even the words. They are not adjectives. Actually, they are adverbs. When they modify an adjective, they become adverbs. Okay, if a word modifies an adjective, it becomes an adverb. That you need to remember. Okay. Now, when it comes to Sri Lanka, when you talk, okay, students, if you listen to somebody, when people talk, most of the times, we use the word very, no, very. For an example, I'm very angry. They say, I'm very angry. She is very beautiful. I'm very thirsty. He is very disappointed, right? When we are talking, when we talk, most of the times, the word that we use is very. You can hear that when people talk. You can hear that, no, that's the word that you hear. Very, very, very. That's the word that you hear. Okay. But students, now we need to learn these modifying adverbs as well. And we need to use them when we want to modify adjectives. Okay. A bit, a little bit, extremely, rather, okay, very. In Sri Lanka, it's very difficult to hear the word rather, modifying an adjective. Most people don't use the word rather when they talk. I'm rather hungry. I'm rather angry. I'm rather happy. I'm rather relieved. Okay, so you can use that as a modifier for adjectives. But what happens is in Sri Lanka, we are so comfortable with using the word very. But students, I want you all to start using the word rather when you want to modify. When you want to modify, I prefer if you all could use the word rather. What is meant by rather? Okay, let's look at it in this way. A bit is one word, a bit, a little bit, extremely, rather, very. First do that exercise, then you can see how this goes. Okay, right. A bit, they are saying read the modifying adverbs below, number them in order from weakest to strongest. Okay, from weakest to strongest. A little bit, that is the first one. A bit, that is the second one. From weakest to strongest, so they want us to order them. Number them, okay. Then a little bit is one, a bit is two, rather is the third one, okay. Very is the fourth one, and extremely is the fifth one. Extremely is the fifth one. A little bit is number one, a bit is number two, rather is number three, very is number four, extremely is number five. So let's tell like this. Okay, a bit means, let's assume you are a bit hungry. So that means you had the, now it is 11 o'clock. Still you haven't had anything. So you say, I'm a little bit hungry. I'm a little bit hungry. At 10 o'clock, you might say a bit hungry. At 11 o'clock, you might say a little bit hungry. I'm a little bit hungry. I had breakfast somewhere around 7 o'clock. I haven't had anything afterwards. So I feel a little bit hungry. Maybe by 1 o'clock, you say, I'm rather hungry. Shall we go out and eat something? I'm rather hungry. You had breakfast at 7 o'clock. Now it is 1 o'clock. You would say, I'm rather hungry. I'm rather hungry. Shall we go out and have something to eat? Right? I'm rather hungry. There you say, I'm rather hungry. And let's assume now it is 2:30. Now it is 2:30. You would say, I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry now. Because you had breakfast at 7 o'clock. Now it is 2 o'clock. You're very hungry. Okay. Let's assume now it is 5:30. Let's assume now it is 5:30. You will be extremely hungry. I'm extremely hungry. You can say ravenous as well. That is also another word that can be used. Okay. Rather than using that word, let's use the modifying adverbs. I'm extremely hungry. By 5 o'clock, you would say, I'm extremely hungry. I'm extremely hungry. I'm extremely hungry. So, students, you need to know the meaning of these words. So, a bit, a little, sorry, a little bit, a bit, extremely, rather, and very. Yeah, a little bit is the first one. Oh, yeah, you say a little bit hungry, a bit hungry, then you say rather hungry, then you say very hungry, then finally you can say extremely hungry. Yeah, extremely hungry. Okay, let's look at this one. Write notes about how you usually feel in these situations. Sometimes you might need more than one adjective. Include modifying adverbs from exercise 9. Okay. How do you feel when you have an exam in 10 minutes? When I have an exam in 10 minutes, a little bit anxious. No, I feel a little bit anxious when I have an exam in about 10 minutes. Okay, right. Next one. Your exam finishes rather relieved. No, when your exam finishes, you feel rather relieved. Rather relieved. You see a large spider in your bedroom. Okay, when you see a large spider in your bedroom, very frightened. No, you feel very frightened, or you can say extremely frightened or very frightened. Friends or family members are arguing. When your friends or family members are arguing, students, then you will feel a bit upset. No, a bit upset. You feel a bit upset when your family or friends are arguing. You arrive at a party. You arrive at a party. You feel extremely, let's use those words, extremely excited. Extremely excited. When you arrive at a party, you feel extremely excited. You can't sleep. When you can't sleep, you feel very disappointed. No, you feel very disappointed. Or you can say you feel rather disappointed. You can use those words. So these modifying adverbs, students, you all need to remember. These modifying adverbs you all need to remember. A little bit, rather, very, a bit, extremely. These modifying adverbs you need to remember. When you talk, you need to use them. So don't always say very. Try to use rather, try to use extremely, or try to use a bit, a little bit. Those modifying adverbs try to use when you're talking English.